ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ke Judicial Inquiry Commission bala khle do nong bishar Fakat Ali Khan ya ka bala thung de sarkar jilla kala ya lenti mentala nyo phosngi kanthi nadu bo menteri rangba ke jilla Konrad Konggal Sangma ula penbena Paidbah ha ka arpu pratri ko bena jilleu arjar arpuwei na ka benta ban Jingtohkit hadin bakalami ke jingkeno Bamsap hapo ka Tnat sam Bording jong ke sarkar jilla unong aiktin jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Zenith sangma haga jinge keren bat kilat pathai khubor haga henril trik ubunai nailor arajar arpuwei ula kenno ba ki jersey Bamsap hapo kini ke sarkar balayalam de National People's Party kilong nadu ka Bamsap doyong ka Bamsap haga Tnat sam Bording ka Bamsap na ukhau ka Bamsap haga Tnat klau ka Bamsap haga Tnat lum khajana pat shushu ula kenno ru ba ka jersey Bamsap kalalong lajan baro ki Tnat trekam jong ke sarkar Shushu lo kenoru baka Tnat sam Bording kadai ka weni kitanat ka bajur bha ka Bamsap ha kani ka kenti nalor baka sarkar kamshim labu ya ka thong ka basandur ban wanra ya ka jingmentoy jong ki Paidbah hanrei ka thong hi ka long kumnu ban shuluti im pej ya ka umsep jong ki Paidbah Uniu nong ilam jong ka seng Kongres ula ong baka jingthung jong ka sarkar ya kani ka Jingtohkit kalong tang ban Pynhun ya ka jingdawa jong ki Paidbah hanrei kar ban ka liang jong ka sarkar jillahi kam de shim khiathan hadu kata
I will dwell in only one topic. See, we as responsible opposition brought out and flagged before the government about the alleged corruption and illegalities in different sectors. There are so many alleged scams came up during the regime of this present MJ government, be it coal scam, be it the power scam, be it the rice scam, be it the scam in forest department, be it scam in taxation department, and corruption in almost all the departments. And all these are being possible because of the patronage from the people in the authority. When I say people in the authority, means the people who are in helm of affairs. Out of this, the most dangerous trend and precedents that have been created is in power sector. Now, under power sector, there are a number of irregularities. Talk about Paidbah, talk about Kannal power project, talk about smart metering, special tariff to Barnyard Industrial Associations, one-time settlement scheme, talk about outsourcing of substations, talk about outsourcing of major distribution circles, so on and so forth. The government does not have proper planning for the welfare of the people of the state. Their intention is something else. The modus operandi that they have scripted is nothing but to loot the public money up to the maximum. We have brought all these issues to the notice of the government, and apart from us, even different stakeholders, the NGOs, members from the civil societies, and even friends from different political parties raised these issues and demanded that there should be a proper inquiry into the alleged scams. But the government is not serious. Rather than doing something good to the people, their intention is something else. The Chief Minister announced on the 28th of June 2021 about the constitution of a judicial inquiry commission comprising of 3 members headed by Justice Ifakat Ali Khan, the retired Honorable Judge from the Allahabad High Court. From the very beginning, I have been maintaining to say that it was just an eyewash, because I was doubting about their commitment level. They are not serious. Till today, it has been 70 days since the time it was constituted, and the Chief Minister informed that within 3 months' time, this inquiry will be completed. It was done just to pacify the people who are demanding, including the regional party leaders, and of course to play to the gathering. We want to know. He very proudly told the people of the state that, look, this judicial inquiry commission has been constituted, headed by so and so, and within 3 months this inquiry will be completed. Forget about completion of the inquiry. Have they started the inquiry even? And again, without any reasonable doubt, we are made to think that why the previous that Judicial Inquiry Commission headed by Justice Khan, whether the government didn't do any due diligence before appointing him to head the inquiry commission, or the government is pressurizing the inquiry commission to do something which they are not willing to do. Question arises. Let the Chief Minister explain to this. Why otherwise, whether the government didn't do proper due diligence before appointing. And there may be lots of other factors, reasons as to why this inquiry commission is not being able to take off with its duty to inquire. To hand over it to CBI. There is a premium institution to investigate corruption in our country, and we cannot undermine the services of CBI. So our stand was from the day one itself to hand over to CBI to get justice. And there are lots of things. There are lots reasons to be doubtful what is inside. Because at the first instance, the judiciary commission which was constituted, he denied. Whether the question arises that whether proper due diligence was not done